I use my washing machine all the time. So today I'm going to be cleaning the very thing that cleans for us. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be cleaning the inside of my wash machine. I like to clean the inside of my wash machine once a month to give it a maintenance clean. So that way, if there's any mold mildew growing inside of this wash machine, we will be cleaning all of that out. So my clothes and my rags and things like that, blankets, whatever I wash in here doesn't come out smelling musty as well. So if you're noticing that in your own washer, you may need to give it a cleaning. So I'm going to be using today Tide wash machine cleaner. So what you do with this stuff is you actually just open up the packet and pour it directly into the washer. So I will tell you the directions on this thing. It says remove all of your clothing. Do not put this in with clothing. You want to put this in without anything in it because you're doing a maintenance clean with it. And it says if you are experiencing the mold smell, the mildew smell, you might want to do one of these once a week for 3 weeks to help cleanse all of that bacteria out of your washer. So that's what we are going to be doing. I'm going to show you what I do is I just cut it. I turn it on, tub clean, and then I start it. And then there you go. And that will get out all of your mold and mildew that is building up inside of the washer. So when you are done with sanitizing the inside of your wash machine, just open up the lid. Open up the lid, let it air out, you know, and that way you won't get the mold and mildew in there. But it's all nice and clean in there now. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. That's all you do is to keep up the maintenance on your wash machine, which I think is really important, is to treat it, you know, give it a good, you know, wash with some wash machine cleaner. Yeah, and you should be good to go. I do this once a month just to keep up on the maintenance of my washer, to keep it going so I can have it a much longer time, so I'm not going out and buying a new washer, you know, even once a year. So let me know in the comments, do you sanitize the inside of your wash machine? Do you put anything in it to help it with the mold and the mildew that does grow inside of these machines? If you are experiencing any musty smells, it's probably time to do a maintenance clean on your wash machine. So if you found value in this video, or it's helped you, or maybe it's opened up your eyes a little bit, like, hey, I need to you know, do a maintenance clean inside my wash machine, let me know in the comments below. And if you already do a maintenance clean for your wash machine, what are you using? I use Tide. I love Tide, and that's what I've been using for a very long time, so I'll continue to use it, but I want to know what you use. If you could give this video a like or subscribe, it's free and it helps my channel a lot. I am new to YouTube, so I would love to grow. And if you can help me do that, I would greatly appreciate it. Until next time, guys, have a great day.